This is a certified pre-owned 2010 Ford Edge. This crossover has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, 9 strategically placed speakers, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, big 18-inch wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, dual power seats, cruise control, leather seats, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, side curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, air conditioning, an auto-dimming rear view mirror, and this vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. The Ford Pre-Owned Certification, a 172-point inspection and reconditioning process, a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty, and a 12-month, 12,000-mile comprehensive limited warranty, plus Ford Motor Company's 24-hour roadside assistance program. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.